Hello dolls, welcome to my channel, Dark Skin Next Door. Okay, so today we are doing a half up, half down hair tutorial. Today I am using this company's hair right here. I will link all the inches and everything below. So this is my first time attempting this style. I seen it on one of my other favorite YouTubers and I decided to try it. It was pretty hard for me. I'm not gonna lie, it got messy. It took me forever to do this style, but it came out all right. So enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First, you wanna start with blow-dried hair and then begin to separate it through the middle. After you part it, put a wig cap on top and trace where your part is. And now I will begin laying the tracks. All you are doing is just laying the tracks on top of each other. And now you are done, trace the line and cut the wig cap off. Now you are going to leave hair out so you can cover the tracks. And straightening your hair is optional. You can just use a roller, but I wanted to straighten my hair, then wand it. And now I'm using the Coconut Echo Style Gel to lay my edges. And now it's time to use edge control. I am using the Vontae Edge Effects Edge Control. And now we are going to wrap the wefts around your little bun and make the ponytail.